Hi friends, welcome back to Playtime Creative Time, and we're gonna be drawing together. In this video, we're gonna be drawing a cactus. First, let's draw the pot. Just a rectangle, and then we going down. Another one's on the right, and then connect them. That's the pot. Let's draw the pattern of the pot. We're gonna draw a zigzag line, another zigzag line, and then we're gonna draw the cactus. Just go up, then draw the arm, go up again for the crown and down, another arms on the right. Let's draw the flower, and then we just gonna draw the thorns. It's done, we are ready to color. Just color the flower red and the cactus green. If you're curious, I'm using brush pen to color my cactus. For the pot, I start with light brown, orange for the zigzag pattern, and then I'm using light blue. This is light blue. And for the bottom, next on, I'm gonna use dark blue. This is dark blue. And it's done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.